Hello viewers, welcome to this channel. In this video I am going to show you how to change the default username and password of your router. That means the administrative username and password of your router. So without delay, let's begin. Why we should change the username and password of the router? So let's know about it first. So there are different reasons that are required that force you to change the default username and password of the router. If you have shared your internet connection with others, then they might know the Wi-Fi password by just visiting the setup page of your router. That means the administrative page of your router. And if the people have good knowledge on networking, then they can just enable the system called remote access. Then they can access your router from out of the network as well. They can access your router if they are in other places. That means they doesn't need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi, and they might do a lot of things like know the details of the device connected to your router and change the default password of your router and other else. So it is always better to be safe from these attacks by changing the default username and password of the router. In this video I am using TP-Link router to demonstrate you to change the default username and password, but you can use any router as you like and the process is almost same. So first let me launch my browser. I am using Mozilla Firefox. So the browser has been launched, and before starting of the tutorial, I want to make you clear that you can perform these activities from your Android phone as well. Most of the people have the misconception that the router setup can only be done by using the PC. So that's not true. You can use any of your device that is connected on your Wi-Fi network to set up your router. So I'll type my default gateway IP, that is 192.168.1.1 and enter it. After entering, it will ask me for the default the username and password, and my default username and password are both admin in small letters, ADMIN, ADMIN. Here it might be different. The gateway IP also might be different. You can just check the gateway IP. If you are using Windows, then just type IPCONFIG on your command prompt, then enter on it. Then you will get the default IP of your router, or you can just search it on the Google, or check the router's manual or in the back or any side of your router. There it will give you all the details of your router, like username, password and gateway IP. So I have entered on it and I have successfully logged in on my router. Then it has shown me many options and it has given me the details of my router. So I have to go to the system tools option, and after clicking on the system tools, it will show off some of the options like factory reset, reboot, and there is an option called password. That means this is the place from where, this is the option from where I can change the default username and password of my router. I'll click on that option. I've clicked and it has shown me some of the details like enter the old username and password and enter the new username password and confirm the new password. So I'll enter my old username first, that is admin, and following that I'll enter my password, that is also admin. And after entering those informations, I'll type my new username and password and I'll again confirm the new password. That is my new username I'll type as Nepal, all in small letters, and my new password will be 12345. So I'm just showing you this. I'm just demonstrating you. So I am using the weak passwords, and it is always better to use the high secured password, that means unguessable password. Like you can you can mix up the letters, numbers and different kinds of symbols like dollar, percent, yen, etc. And after typing all the informations, I'll click on the save button, So I click on the save button and it has again redirect me on the login page. That means the password have successfully changed. So according to your router's model and company, it might be different option. Like after clicking on the save button, it will ask you for rebooting your router. So you have to reboot the router, or it will reboot automatically, and after rebooting the credentials will be changed. So let's check whether the credentials have been changed or not. I'll type my username as Nepal and password as 12345 and hit enter. So I have logged in successfully. That means the username and password have been changed. So thanks for watching, and follow the same process to change the default username and password of your router and be safe from different kinds of hacking attacks. So thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Click on the like button, and if you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button to know more, to get information about the more new videos. Then you have to click on the bell icon that is on the side of your subscription button. And if you have any query, suggestion, then type it in the comment box. Thanks for watching.